anh có cái key để anh bắt anh em biết làm nhờ biết làm thứ nhờ em món này có cơ hội tiếp xúc với chiêu mình chưa bao giờ mình gọi là phát sóng online cả. Ngày xưa em cũng nghịch tất cả mọi mơ.
Okay,
Ước mơ
so
không phải ước mơ
so
nhưng mà
this
lúc đấy
this
thất nghiệp về
SMS is here.
thất nghiệp em phải học qua hết.
So if I go to this SMS, data simulation model set, it's engage. So I need to copy this and put this into engage. So I go to user or no data simulation objects, paste. I'm just pasting the whole thing. Okay. There is a single file that I've modified, but I'm just grabbing everything so it's identical.
Yeah.
Okay.
Replace
All I did was add this. So if I go in here now, engage, I should see that, even though I kind of made a mistake here. So I meant to put a 1, but I hit a shift 1. So we'll see if this works.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll see if this works. It more than likely should work. Turn that down. But I could always go in and so here's the object type. It's going to have the same object type, and it's based off of this guy who I can control. And then let's look at find test. So I've got test 1 here. So that should just work. I might have to do this over again. So let's go ahead and close this. Let's close it, don't save. And I've got engage, close that. Now I'm going to go to forces. Our forces, launch, go here, engage, launch. And so I'll just kind of put that guy down and see if it works. But the proper thing to do is do everything in forces, then copy that to engage. Because they should have the same SMS.
Yeah, I see. But the problem, I see if you copy from controllable state, so you should change the scheme. So it's work.
Well, just so DI guy is the motions, and it's also the configuration of the textures. And all I'm doing is in the SMS, I'm calling on this new human model that I made.
Yeah, you see, our problem is last time we made this kind of object.
Yep.
Yeah, controllable. We have to inherit that from US soldier.
Yep.
So we always like this, holding the weapon and the standing. Like
Yep.
this.
So you can edit that. You can edit those motions. So if I go here, this guy is always holding a box.
Yeah.
He's always holding the box. So if I go to the action table, stand with box, hold the box. So I can make that be the
standing.
Yeah. Like all he'll do is walk around with a box. He won't have a gun. So let's see if we can get this to work. So I'm going to go into forces, put down, let's see if it'll work. TEST.
This one.
Test. Okay. Yeah. I'll put that here. See if it freaks out. It's still loading. Oops. Okay. So he's not doing that right now.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So now let's go to here. Test 1. Engage. And then let's play this. Play. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
So yeah, so
The
it,
same way last time.
yeah.
Every time we play throw and the standing like that.
Yep. Okay. So that might be hard coded. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's try something else. Let's pick a character that doesn't have a so this might seem a little weird. Drone civilian with drone.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
how we said, but we have to hide.
Just do what he does. So this guy here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
After he holding like this to control the drone.
Let's see. Let's see. All right. So I'm gonna change this role. Choose role, civilian,
Yeah.
and I don't think he's got anything. So he's moving around, and we're gonna. All right. Let's do this, and then we'll do motion editor. Where is it? I got too much stuff here. Did I close it or something? All right, so let's just, oh, there we go, there we go, okay. Let me do Control Shift F12, Function Shift F12, and then we're gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do that. Escape, choose role, human player, engage. All right, I think we can make this happen. Okay. He'll run into this guy. All right, so I'm gonna go here. I think I can also be a third person. B. There he is. That's what I want. And then I'm gonna slow him down a little bit. Okay, so then he has ability first person, third person, load resources. He can do other things. Playable objects, spark. So this is what he can do. We can turn that off. Okay. So let's try this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kill all this. All right. So we're going to go.
So that's why we want to define a new one.
Yep.
Yeah. It's like we get to learn how to set up and do it as controllable.
Human male with drone.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, they all sort of default to that. So we're going to do new model from existing, and this will be test _2. And let me. Okay, we're just gonna play with this. I'm gonna go here, Western Soldier. Instead of random, we're gonna say Vietnamese soldier. Change that to Vietnamese. Do that. Sorry, thank you. Vietnamese soldier. Just bear with me. And no soldier default. Stand with box. No weapon. Head default. Let me just see if I can get this to work. So I'm going to do File, Save. Okay. And again, so here's Engage. I'm going to go back to Forces, and we're going to do Data, Simulation Model Sets, Engage, DRF Sim, And they modified test2. Ooh, let's just capture them both. For some reason, that's up here. All right, now we're going to go back to mock forces, data, simulation model set. Entity, there we go. VRF sim, paste that. The funny thing is, I can't believe that other file didn't freak it out with that exclamation point. That worked. I don't know. I kind of made a mistake. All right, so let's minimize this. I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to kill this. We know that that's working. And now I'm going to go forces, local, gauge. Let's see what this does. So I think it's the character type and his behavior is why every time he plays, he's got a weapon.
I mean, you see, I don't know if you can make a new character type. It will be great for us.
Yeah, I think we've got
character type is complicated last time.
it is, and the thing is, a lot of the software is hard coded to particular characters, so you may not be able to get what you want.
Oh.
That makes sense.
Last time we try to find rules or setting, but
Yeah.
complicated.
All right, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna say new VR engage Ala Moana. And I'm going to put in, what is it, test2, T-E-S-T.
Test2.
Did I not save it?
Below it.
I don't see it.
No, test2. Yeah.
Oh, well, that's weird.
With a symbol.
Oh, it doesn't have a symbol. That's weird. Oh.
No, it's that one.
Yeah, it's there. Come on.
So slow. No. This way it is loading. Something.
I don't know.
No.
I don't know if it's saved correctly.
Yes. Or maybe it has another config file. You copy the entity file. Maybe it will link to us.
Let me look at this.
Last time copy holes will go down.
I'm in forces though. This should have saved it. Let me save again. Close this page. I wonder what's going on with this. Did it crash or something? Still got his damn weapon. All right, so this seems a little bit better. We still got the weapon there. We don't. I can remove that. We're gonna look around. We're gonna go to first person. Look, and I wonder what's going on with this. This seems weird.
There is no thing yet.
Yeah, I'm probably not doing something correctly. All right, so let's keep that. We're gonna go here. I'm gonna do control function. I'm sort of playing with this as I go, so just bear with me. And I'm gonna do one more thing. We're gonna look at Vantage, see what's in Vantage.
Is it auto updated?
No,
Yeah.
but we're spitting out a dissonum, so we'll see what it does. I'm curious. Curious. Hmm.
So where we can synchronize it to civilian.
Yeah, so let's
We
select.
sound
Let's
oh,
yeah, so let's choose role, and this guy's up on this rooftop. Gauge.
see maybe you are running the server. Server is running.
Server?
Yeah. You close UE, but the server,
I don't know.
the console server, maybe it is running. So we can synchronize.
Yeah. So literally that's Vantage. This is Engage.
Mm.
This is Forces. So Forces is the one that's kind of messed up, but I'm not sure why. Maybe I zoomed out too far. Plan view, stealth, object list.
Why?
Like it should be here.
Yeah, should be there.
Yeah. Something pre-test 2. Close. Something is weird. I'm not sure exactly what's wrong here, but it's probably something stupid that so anyway, this is what this is how I put it together. So let's kill all this and take a look at that guy again. So I'm going to that close, yes. I'm here. I edit this file. No weapon, multicam, stand with box. It's still not using that motion, and I think that might be a problem. AK-47. What does that look like? Let's do that one. No weapon, stand with box, hit OK. Entity, and we're gonna test to civilian. Let's edit this, and I'm gonna give this a Vietnam, and I'm gonna change this to. It does have that. Test to entity, just making sure I've done everything correctly here. Menu icon. I wonder, menu icon, test to menu icon, just checking the different characters. I don't know. Let me do file, save, and I'm gonna kill this, like absolutely just kill it. Kill, yes. All right, so now that was here, forces, data, simulation model set, and engage, and maybe there was something just wrong.
Copy.
Entity,
Okay.
VR engaged. Yeah, I keep thinking it's spelled differently. VR engage, data, simulation model set, paste. See what happens. But I had to fix my computer. My computer kept crashing,
Yeah.
and it was the thread optimization.
Oh.
So it kept colliding. And it's not. It's a NVIDIA and Mach bug.
No.
So we've seen this before.
Mhm.
So I'm going to say host session, drone attack. See if this works. Vantage, connection. Come on, baby. There we go. I'm going to go here. Vantage. We'll go to page. Still loading. Say create new TES test 2, right?
No, that's all.
Wonder if I destroyed it. I changed it to Vietnamese. I'm wondering if it needs to be. So I put this guy out there. That guy's definitely going to be a guy with a gun. Test 1. Okay. I think there might be a problem here with changing that enumeration. That might be a problem. And he's got a gun. So I don't think it's the same guy. Let's do Control Shift. And forgive me if I'm kind of messing around with this. That's all right. Function. So he's definitely got the box over there. And he's going to jump off the roof, fall down. All right. So let's kill this and try to figure this out. It gets a little muddy, you know. It's complicated, and that's what makes it frustrating, but try not to break it. I'm going to go to Vantage Forces. I did change the 12 to a. I wonder if that's the problem. So file, open, engage. I always seem to have a trouble. Entity, engage.
Last time we inherited from this to make a new one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then when we make a scenario, we use both SMS.
Yeah,
In that case, we separate all the objects that we create.
yeah, I wonder, I think it might have to do with that disenumeration. And that disenumeration is in engaged looking for that particular number. I think there's some config file that says here are characters you can use. So let me see what I can do here.
Let's see.
I might have to.
It's complicated.
Yeah.
Link different file.
Yeah.
Last time I search.
So here's test 2.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to change this back to a 2. And I'm going to change this back to the United States. And I'm wondering if that would Kingdom, United States, press OK. DEST 2. There he is. So this all looks good. And this is civilian. This has got that. So file, save simulation auto set. So let's go into, I'll just load forces and see what forces says. I won't do anything else.
Oh, you didn't mention about sensor. Did we buy sensor up, right?
You bought sensor effects?
I didn't remember.
I didn't think
No.
so.
Oh,
I don't think so.
oh. Earlier I saw sensor.
Yeah, I don't
Mhm.
remember that seeing that at all. Okay, now I'm gonna do file test. It hasn't loaded yet, so
Okay.
it's working on it. Damn it, test
Yeah.
2,
The
same problem.
yeah.
It's weird, it's not showing up. It's not even there.
So see, that's why we met many difficulty during working with this.
Yeah, I totally get it.
Yeah.
Engage, test 2. Seems weird. It might be that it's, so let me edit this, and I'm going to keep it in US, but I'm going to change this.
I think the last one it is for some extra value.
I just feel like there's something up here. TST2.
See, it is gray, not white.
Well, over here, you mean?
No, the test tool. When you click the test one,
Yeah.
click, you see it is gray. Usually it should be white or active. I don't know why it is gray.
All right. So let me try something else here. So I basically wanted to take a civilian and use him. Filters. let me delete this guy. Try it again. So I'm gonna say, where is he? Wait,
Cannot believe it.
yeah, let's do that maybe.
No.
That's weird. All right, if I click here,
Delete?
delete.
Yeah.
Weird. Okay. Let's try to find male.
Yeah, you see, the other abilities from basic, from
Yeah.
base SMS.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna try this again. Maybe there's just something I didn't do right. Copy, and I'll call this test. EST_3. Okay. All right, it's got the right color.
Yeah.
See, instead of random, we're gonna do Vietnamese soldier box. Let's just do Vietnamese soldier. Soldier AK-47. And then I'm gonna remove his weapon. No weapon. See if that does anything. We might have to play around with this. I'm gonna press OK. He's still that color. He's the right color. Okay. Let me save that. I don't know why the other one's broken.
Yeah.
I'll be honest with you.
Me too.
Now it's white.
Yeah. Now look white.
I don't know. I
You didn't do anything.
I haven't
No
done.
change. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that. Now let's copy that folder over again. So I'm a little bit confused. So data, simulation model sets, engage and engage, copy. Forces, we go to engage, we go to data, simulation model set. All right, so I'm going to close this. And open engage. And I'm going to close that. And we're open forces. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take a character I know works and the attributes I want, and then work with it. And I kind of do that. Like if someone's done all the hard work, why should I reinvent the wheel? And I would suggest you do that as much as possible on models, terrain, and like buying something online or
Yeah,
texture.
for the model, we
Yeah,
we
like-
don't care about the model.
Yeah, like
Yeah, but
like
how to set up.
yeah, it can't be. I mean, I wouldn't spend $100 on a model. Like that's not worth it. But someone did work hard, and I'm sure it looks good. But
Yeah, we agree.
he could probably build something.
Yeah. The last time we have many different kind of model,
Yeah,
but how to set up and use it in your post
yeah.
is really a problem.
Well, I think what Peter gave you, even just that documentation and the overview, is going to get you exactly what you want. So TET. Maybe I shouldn't be doing that so early.
So it is better if Peter can guide us to give some instruction how to build a controllable.
Look
with
at
the
this.
UI.
This is
Yeah, suddenly.
okay.
What?
I don't know. It must have been some sort of weird save or something. Okay, there it is.
It's free of.
There it goes. So let's go look at it. He's still got a weapon for some reason. And that might just be something in the in this file here. Like if I go to auto load, I'll have to find that file, but I probably just need to remove that. Okay. So here it is. We're going to go here. We're going to go to the weapon. He doesn't have a weapon here, or does he? Yeah, I think he does.
He has.
He does. Okay. So we'll figure out why. We'll figure out why. So the good thing is we've got it working and forces and engage, right? He's got a weapon, but he's not running around like this. Okay. So now I'm going to control or function shift F12 and put this over here, put this over here. I'll press play. I'll hit no. There's my guy. Now let's use Vantage. See what he looks like in Vantage. That'll load up. Ala Moana. All right, so I need to connect settings, connection, local, connect. There's my guy. Let's go look at him. And he's got a weapon. Okay, so we're consistent across all. And I'll move this over here. See if I can move this up here. There. That guy running around like a crazy person. We'll change the view. Okay. Now let's try to get rid of his weapon. Okay. So I'm going to go and look. What did I use here? Where is this? Oh, I closed it. I closed it. So let's look at forces. So I think he's using an AK-47. And maybe I just need to get rid of that. So I need to go to DI guy, which is C mock shared 19 latest model data, life forms, DI guy, custom, config, add this, and we're going to look at was it Vietnamese soldier, or I thought it was all right, let's gauge. So Soldier 7 AK-47. I think it's this.
No. You see appearance the first with AK-7.
Yeah, this one.
But we are using the below one. Vietnamese soldier.
I think I'm using this.
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's
No,
do a bet. Gentleman bet.
Is that a bet?
Yeah, bet, little one.
Bet.
Little. I think I'm using this.
Vietnamese soldier.
Yeah, Vietnamese soldier AK-47. Test 3, right?
Yeah.
Here. All right, let's go back to that. Control. Still not there. Yeah, I think what I'm doing is I'm forcing the weapon onto his hand in that particular. EST. Test 3. Yeah, see? So I'm using
Create a
that.
time.
Yeah. So let me play with this a little bit. I'm gonna copy this. I like what I like the way this one works. Copy. I'm gonna paste this here, and I'm gonna say Vietnamese. And I'll just call this no weapon. And then this human male hand item combination, I'm going to just comment this out. Let's see if this works. Control C.
Just delete it.
Yeah, well, I want to keep it just in case.
Now we can copy it.
Head type. That looks good.
All
right, so we're gonna save this. So I'll do save. That looks good. And this I need to reload. No. Let's try it again. So I'm kind of playing, like, messing around here. So let's just see what this looks like. So we'll go into the motion editor, human model, Vietnamese soldier. Shoot. I just want to make sure it's in here.
No, what's
And so, yeah, let me do one thing. Advantage is it's hand item. I'm wondering if it's not. I think I need to say no weapon. I think I need to do that. No weapon. Okay, so I think that's why I kept that.
Maybe you have to have at least one hand item.
I think it needs to be defined. I don't. If it's not defined, I think it's going to put something in there. Let me save that. Let's go here. I'm going to go ahead and we'll open it up and see what it looks like. Open, engage. So this is kind of ugly, huh? Ugly, like ugly, like it's like making
No.
sausage.
I don't remember about settings the character type here.
Yeah,
Mr. Kong.
he knows this.
Yeah, he knows. That's something to see. Last time I just give an idea and then he do everything.
Yeah.
I just overall here.
Yeah, he's a smart guy, huh?
Yes.
Well, we'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
All right. So now we're gonna go test 3. I think my test guys are pretty good. We're gonna go here, and we're gonna change this to no weapon. I still got a weapon.
Deponent weapon, the weapon is correct.
Yeah, I don't know why he still has a
But
weapon.
still, yeah.
Why does he have a weapon? Filter.
So it is better to capture and ask support.
Yeah.
It
Something
look like
like
you are a user.
yeah,
Sure.
yeah. This is kind of
It will
annoying.
be a bug, yeah.
It might be a bug. Might be a bug. But what I would do with support is say, here's all the stuff. Um, I'm just surprised that's not gone. Why is that not gone? No weapon, no weapon. Helmet, multicam, hand item, soldier, no weapon, no weapon. Okay. I'm wondering if this didn't get. Let me save this out. I'm wondering if it just not isn't updated or something. Like I started it up too quickly. Because it might still have the old weapon in here. I'm gonna close that, and then I'm gonna close all of these. Yes. Yes. So now let's do forces again. I think I figured it. All right, let's save that. I think I've got it loading a file that is kind of superseding everything. So let's see if this will fix it. Still got a damn rifle, doesn't it?
Why? Oh,
It still does.
and here,
Still has a rifle.
yeah, we have rifles there.
Hmm.
So we'll see. Mark, Mark one.
Man.
Yeah.
Well, I will try to figure this out. I'm thinking, so this I thought was the problem, that it was just bringing this in here. Body, tactical gear. Let me just do this. No weapon. And comment this out. And then I'm going to weapon. I'm basically going to obliterate.
And so you cannot understand the weapon.
Yeah, so he can just not see the weapon. So this hand item. I'm thinking this might be the problem. This right here. Item, default hand item. But this is now find. I think it's only in 2 places. So it's not called on by anything else. So a lot of this is me like tired doing this, so I might have broken something. Default hand item list, hand item appearance. This looks like it's a child of this. Hand item is that. I'm gonna comment this out. I'm gonna comment all of this out, just see. Save, and then let's see. Fun stuff. Yeah, I would like to get back into the terrain stuff. I thought that was beneficial also. Still got a rifle.
Yeah, still have.
Still has a rifle. Man. So something is telling it to be an AK-47. It's got to be in this file. Look at this. I may have been editing the wrong one. Save. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Sorry. It's I need to use brute force. Sorry, man. Don't be mad at me.
That's why last time we somehow it is very difficult for us. You are expert,
Yeah.
and then
Well,
you also have difficulty like this.
It makes sense to me to a degree, but then there's stuff like this where I don't really understand how the configuration works. It's like what's first, what's second, and they've changed a bunch of stuff, so it's me kind of guessing.
We also do because there is no document about this.
Nothing at all.
Yeah, nothing. So we also have to try. We look
Yeah.
for, we just search, we take and then we follow. We just
Yeah.
copy and change.
Yep.
Yeah. So see, please add William Code or as make a document for preparing later.
Yeah. So there is a document that I sent to him. I'll show you the documents so don't leave here without them. Test 3. Let's try this again. Come on, baby. Same rifle.
Yeah.
Same rifle. So I've commented all this stuff out. I'm wondering. If it's a file.
That's time we spend too much time for this.
Okay.
Because you see, for US, you are holding weapon like this.
Yeah.
But we are different. We try to change something here.
Yeah. Let me do one more thing. Let me look at one more thing. All right. So this, no weapon, multicam, soldier, human male. Okay. Let me do this character type hand item.
Or switching hand item.
Yeah. I do. That's a 2. It's 3. There's 4 equals. I might be using a different character type that's not listed here. That might be it. Let me go and look at simulation model set, engage. You are engaged. We're going to go to human. Didn't even save that out. Damn it.
Nghĩa.
đâu.
Đấy, vẫn thay đổi cái này nhưng mà nó vẫn bị cầm cái súng. Mấy cái Epron, mấy cái handle cầm này. Đúng không? Bạn chưa biết thế nào mà. Có thay thì bây giờ không thấy nó giải chân rồi nữa nhưng mà tay nó vẫn bị cầm súng này, thay các loại rồi đang không được.
Chọn cái đối tượng trước là em chọn là cái thằng
Ông đang bảo là hôm nay em làm với thằng BNI gì ấy, cái code cho ông để ông làm luôn cái officer ấy, BNI motion gì ấy, thì em làm rồi nó một đối tượng mới của em ấy.
mới thì em mới làm ấy, qua mới làm ấy thôi, làm về nó sang tư thế đứng nghiêm ấy mà đã làm cái gì vậy đâu. Chưa
Nếu đang thay ông lại quay về ông từ cái thằng Chrome đấy, ông ấy đang sửa từ cái thằng đấy đi. Thì em đang bảo là nếu mà em xong được mấy cái thằng kia thì em copy cho người khác để phải config.
Nhưng mà
Bây giờ nhớ ông lại làm lại đúng như hồi đầu em làm ấy, phát triển lúc đầu từ lính thì nó lúc nào lúc ấy nó không được rồi, không quay về cái thằng Chrome mà nó vẫn đang bị lỗi. Khi mình chuyển sang cái thằng Vietnamese Mỹ thì lúc nào nó cầm súng luôn, kể cả cái thằng civil thằng người lái đấy dân đấy,
người dân đập súng á.
không từ người dân ông kế thừa từ thằng đấy để làm, nhưng thay cái thằng Golden Army Mỹ vào ấy thì nó lúc nào bây giờ nó cũng gắn cái súng đấy, kiểu nó làm chán chê rồi. Đang không nhớ là mấy cái Epron ấy lúc nào bây giờ nó có súng nó cầm tay này, súng nó tương đương nó gắn vào cái tay thì đang không được, cho nên là tôi phát triển từ cái thằng ông kế thừa từ cái thằng dân nhá, dân là cái vô bê do đấy thay bằng cái thằng Ami của mình, thằng đấy là
Cứ đặt tập súng. Như
ông bây giờ đang
ông ấy vẫn để cái nối cho cái tương tai này cái xe này tập như kiểu là
đấy mình đâu có cần hết rồi.
ông xóa luôn.
Yeah, I
Xóa đi cách không được.
trying to
Xong rồi xóa hết rồi không được, thêm đâu có cần không được.
trying to find this guy. So I got no head there. I'm just kind of playing with this a little bit, see if I can kind of force it onto a civilian body. Bill's giving me just the head.
Nobody.
Nobody. I'm good at breaking it. Good at breaking it.
Từ các loại xem thế nào.
Ông như là Vietnam là chỉ cần này tạo
Tức là đấy lúc đầu nhá là muốn là test cho mình là controllable, mình tự điều khiển được, xong thì ghét không nhưng mà lôi một cái thằng vào rồi thì nó sẽ thành nó lên lỗi kiểu này thì nó vào lại hỏi số được này.
Ron mấy đâu nhỉ?
Ron
Man withdraw thì hiểu.
Súng thì tạo được, nhưng mà tạo ra những ghét thì có thể tạo ra súng xưa
Đấy tức là nó bây giờ nó thay cái thằng ghét là cái thằng Mỹ vẫn cái lượng của thằng ghét của nó đúng không? Đúng rồi, hai cái hoặc thằng Mỹ hoặc thằng dân.
thằng nhìn ghét của nó thì không có thằng nào thằng dân cơ.
Ồ,
Trong
anh lấy cái thằng civilian withdraw đấy.
đấy
Nó
thì,
cũng có.
nhưng mà nó vẫn có drone, đấy là mình bỏ cái tính năng là gọi drone ra thôi. Chứ còn bản thân nó drone, nếu mà mình ấn
So
chọn drone thì sẽ
so
là
he's got a
Đây nhà mày nào nó cầm súng.
he's got a civilian there. What character is it associated with? What character are you using for the officer?
hôm qua đấy à, có đấy.
Để em xem là cái em kế thừa từ cái thằng nào để làm thằng squad qua ấy.
Nó có súng mà.
Đây, nhưng mà bây giờ thằng bỏ súng.
Bỏ súng
Cái
thì
thằng này đây là em vẫn là đang kế thừa từ thằng phải đúng không?
cái thừa thì thằng lính, nếu mà làm thằng lính thì chắc chắn là sẽ có súng. Còn bình thường như là em hay làm là cái thằng
Gì đấy, không?
đi đấy là cái thằng mà thằng ấy bình thường em biết rồi từ thằng này.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
But it is not controllable. Thằng này không đi ghét được đúng không?
Ai không nghĩ ghét được.
What?
Vì nó không có trong
See
cái
here,
đấy.
Yeah.
he inherited from this without gun, but he cannot control it.
Not controllable.
Yeah, not controllable.
Okay.
But with soldier, that means always hold.
Yeah. So
Cái thừa thì thằng medic này thì nó không có súng.
Medic là cái thằng đấy đâu phải
Thằng thương thì nó không có súng. Nhưng thằng này thì lại không
control
engage,
được.
không control được.
Engage, no engage.
no, it doesn't show up in engage. Okay.
Cho nên mình
So I can get this guy to show up in engage.
So can you make the medic here to be engageable?
I don't think that's possible. I think it's easier to start with something that's engageable.
Yeah, and then you can change the skin.
Yeah, change the skin. So I need to figure out a way,
Control.
yeah, to do this. So let me.
thằng súng chỉ engage được, nhưng mà lúc nào nó cầm súng.
No weapon.
Còn cái thằng không cầm súng thì nó lại không chỉ engage, và mình đang muốn ông tạo ra một thằng không cầm súng và engage được. Ông có toàn tạo dựa trên thằng người lính thì
Từ đấy thì ông mới bảo người ta hy vọng nó sửa được từ cái thằng ghét rồi ấy, bây giờ phải sửa theo hy vọng của mình nhưng mà đang chưa được. Cũng đang tìm mọi cách để bỏ súng đi nhưng mà chưa được.
được cái thằng người lính thì kể cả mình có chọn cái chế độ là no weapon, nhưng khi engage thằng nó cứ lại ra súng. Thế nó lại
Anh ông ấy rồi đòm làm thế sau bắt đầu đi ghét vào cái tự dưng nó thành cái này và nó đứng dạng chân đấy.
đúng rồi. Đấy em cũng thử là nhiều rồi, nếu như mình
Xong rồi không được, xong mới đang loay hoay tìm cái trong này lúc nãy em sửa thế nào cái mà bây giờ nó không bị dạng chân nữa mà nó cứ bị gắn cái thằng cao.
không bị dạng chân thì mình sửa trong cái như motion thôi. Cái đấy mà không thôi lúc này
Không sửa gì cả.
không sửa gì.
Không sửa motion. Đấy thì bây giờ cái tư thế này là nó không bị chân nữa nhưng mà cái tay của nó chạy nó bây giờ nó đang cứ nắm cái súng lại. Nhưng trước ông chỉ chọn bình thường thôi, không thấy ông chọn gì mà.
Still got a weapon, damn it.
Thì bây giờ cái tư thế này thì nó giữ rồi.
Okay. Okay.
Nó không bị dạng chân.
So this guy, this guy loves his weapon.
Yes.
Loves the weapon. I'm thinking it's something here. Human male character type. Let me get rid of this. I feel like I'm very close. So just yeah. So I got this working. This is a Greg. I'm using this. So let me save that. Let me try it again. close that thing. Like it keeps giving me shit that I don't want. I see the weapon.
Máy bảo với cậu bây giờ mình rất chuẩn bị là tạo ra được thành cái demo và chôn được về cái tóc
It's loading that item. Let me do this. Let me do this.
Vấn đề là ở trong cái catalog invest của nó là nó phải có cái thằng không cầm súng.
Nhưng bây giờ không có đấy.
Bây giờ không có, mà mình bây giờ chỉ test rồi từ cái thằng với lại cái con drone thôi, thì mà mình không gọi cái con drone ra, thì nó là thằng người chạy treo quan sát rồi đó. Và đúng ra là khi mà nó đã tạo ra cái thằng gì có cái drone thì mình phải tác động cái chuyện là tôi bỏ cái drone trên luôn. Nhưng không biết là nó sửa ở chỗ nào trong thằng ghét ấy. Còn trong gai này thì không phải đâu. Gai á? Gai này thì không phải, gai nó chỉ là để tạo ra một cái nhân vật thôi mà. Thì mình có thể lấy cái nhân vật người dân thay ra cái thằng Inget drone kia.
Chính là đây có súng thay rồi mà nó lúc nào cũng đặt súng đúng không? Không bỏ súng đi. Đối tượng này.
I wonder if the file has been modified in some weird way that I'm not seeing the changes because I don't have access to them. I wonder if it's in here. It's hard-coded. It's hard-coded in there. It's hard-coded in the file. So no matter what I do, it's not going to matter because it's always going to be hard-coded. See? Okay. So there was a file. All right. There was a file that called on AK-74. And all I did was comment that out. All right. That was the problem. So no matter what I did to the appearance, it automatically just stuck a weapon in there. So now, all right, just I thought I was going crazy because I'm doing everything I should do, but it's stuck in this file. All right. Well, this makes me happy. So So in another file, there was a line that says item equals AK-74.
Yes.
And that, no matter what I did with the appearance, it was always like, well, here's a weapon. So it was buried like at the original shapefile. It was in there and it was like adding a weapon. So it was like a corrupted file. So everything I was doing was correct. But no matter what I did, it kept saying, okay, great, here's your weapon. Here's your weapon. And it was like buried in there. All right, so I'm gonna bet you again that there's gonna be no weapon. Are you ready? You ready? You're ready, aren't you? No weapon. No weapon this time. So even if I got rid of all the weapons and all the appearances, there was still a weapon that was being loaded, no matter what.
Và như thế là sẽ là xóa hết tất cả.
Oh, I gotta kill this.
Tất cả thằng khác cũng xóa.
Oh, I have two of these loaded. I gotta kill
So if
them.
you delete the AK-47 of us modern, the real soldier, he doesn't have AK.
Well, he will if I want him to.
Yeah.
But literally in his body, he had an AK
Okay.
already there. So I wanted to use his body, but then I said, okay, no weapon. And it was like, great, well, here's his weapon. So it was kind of circumventing my lines that said no weapon. It just ignored it. It just said, here's your weapon, no matter what. No matter what I did, everything I did, it would just be like, here's your weapon. So here's a guy with no weapon. So I just couldn't find it. Oh, I've got a mistake here. I gotta kill these. Yeah, I'm sorry. I've got too many things running. Close. 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 I'm crashing into they're crashing into each other. So with forces, if I have multiple forces running, they collide in with they have to be individual on the network. So I'm so confident about this. I'm gonna run Vantage, and I'm gonna run Engage, and I'm gonna run Forces. I'm gonna kill these. I still didn't move those files over, but it should be okay because it's not at the SMS level. It was at the DI guy configuration level.
DI config.
Yeah. So I can hand him this file, and this entity will work Vantage, Engage, Forces, and he should be able to control him in Engage. So now he would just need to tweak it. Forces, that's Vantage. I'm going to go to Settings, Connection, Connect, and then we're going to go to, where's Forces? There it is. New scenario, Engage. So I want to see no weapon on all.
Yeah.
Close. Forces. Shift F12. All right. So TEST3. Let's put him here. Is no weapon. And no weapon. All right, so let's go to Forces. We're going to play it. No. And Control Shift, actually Function Control Shift F12. And then we're going to do, oh, did I crash it? Anyway, let me just scale this down a little bit. There it is. So here's my, we're going to look at this guy, and then we're going to drive him around. Let me slow him down a little bit. There he is, no weapon.
Yes.
Okay, so let me show you what I did. It's a little messy. So there's a file here called appearances skinned. Yep, and it's the multicam. So basically, all this looks good up until this point, and then this is there. This item was added.
Yes.
Okay,
Give me
So-
that.
so let me go back in there and add the weapon back to the ones I want to have the weapon.
Yes.
So let's go here, and I'm gonna go appearance skin. We're gonna close this, auto load appearance. This is the one I'm using. This is
Yes.
that's
Okay.
that's what I'm loading. But basically it would say like, oh, here's your weapon, here's your weapon.
Yes.
All right, so here we want this guy to have an AK-47.
Yes.
I want him to have one. So I was like, what is going on here? AK-47. And I'm hoping that that's the right one. No, is that right? Is that right? Maybe I commented it out. I might have been brute force here. Okay, so let's try that one. Assault weapon, hand item appearance. So now I'm comfortable in. It just didn't make any sense, you know. And when it doesn't make any sense, you're like, well, there's something wrong. So that is stuck in there for some unknown reason. We're gonna do that. Actually, no, hand accessory. I don't want that. Palm right attached. This is good. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but this is no weapon. No weapon. This is with a weapon. Let's see what this looks like.
I don't think so.
You don't think that's going to work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like so that it should be item for this guy.
It's his
Yeah,
hand.
like that.
It's his hand. So let's try it. Let's try it. It may crash, but I kind of know where I'm at here. It may. Let's see if it complains. Didn't complain, which is good. So we're gonna go to male. Is it human? Human male. Infantry. No, we want. No, we don't want that one. We want this one. This one. Vietnam AK-47. See what pops up. And he doesn't have a gun. So you're right.
Yeah.
Okay. So he doesn't have a gun. So it's not, that naming convention is not right. Assault weapon. We'll change this just to, it might be underscore or AK. Let's try that. Copy.
You delete it. You
Yeah.
have to define it as item.
Well, it's defined. It's in there. It
When you
is.
define,
Here, watch this. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go find in files,
yeah.
paste,
Okay.
and I'll do shape set equals AK-47, find in files. You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. All right, let's try that.
AK-47. Just search for AK-47.
I know we got it. AK-47.
Like a remove website. Or
Yeah, let's try that.
just
AK-47. Ooh. All right. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's my file there.
Yeah.
That's my file there. Rifle AK-47. Shape set. Chair AK-47. Item equals.
Item.
That should work. That should work. hand item. No. I need to say item equal. This is what I need to do. So let's do this. Control. Do that. And okay. I made a mistake. Copy soldier AK-47, soldier AK-47. All right, now we're gonna go Vietnamese soldier AK-47. We're gonna save that. Let's close this. So now, rather than a hand item, it's gonna be a rifle. And he should have a weapon. Nothing. You smart guy. No, but the AK is here, right there. I see.
You have to define. It cannot understand AK-47 without definition.
But
it is setting. So you have to define what is AK.
Well, it's definitely in there. I mean, it's called on multiple times. And item equals AK-47.
And item this.
And item AK-47. I wonder. Maybe this is it. Maybe I need to do.
Đây bây giờ mình tìm cách em xóa thì đi rồi bây giờ kể lại.
Like we're spending so much time on this. It's awesome. All right, so let's go into the guy. Soldier 17. It's not going to appear as a. There he is. I got it. All right, so now let's close this. Now we're going to make sure that the other guy doesn't have a weapon. So this will be what? Male, what is it? Male pedestrian 4? Vietnam, no weapon. No weapon. Oh. Painful.
Yeah.
Okay. What did I do? That's a good question. So here it is. So I got this guy who is calling on this. And then I basically removed the weapon from this base appearance. Gone. And then here, I could probably get rid of this. I'm saying basically use a weapon in your hand. You're going to put a weapon in your hand. So I'm overriding everything. I can give you this. And so the cool thing is that it appears in DI Guy. It'll appear in forces, and it'll appear in engage. So if I change this, there's a guy with no weapon moving around.
Anh mới là lúc nãy em tạo 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 anh ta đấy, từ thằng US được lính.
And then here's Vantage. We're gonna
Áp
move
dụng thằng
around.
này là từ cái thằng Tron.
So Vantage,
Nếu mà thằng Tron thì giờ nó cũng làm gì có súng đâu.
Đây, lúc nãy là nó cứ việc đánh súng vào đây.
right?
How vào?
A box, huh?
Tức là mình kế thừa cái thằng chỉ huy thì sẽ có
Yeah.
từ lâu này.
I knew I was close. I knew I was close. I'm gonna hit the restrooms, is that all right?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, God, that was painful.
Okay thì
So,
yeah.
so yeah, so I'll leave that up there so you can look at it. But he's got my custom. He doesn't have all these edits. But yeah, that was painful. So the big thing was that file.
Tron này nó có súng đâu.
Đấy, lúc nãy là phải sao tôi nó có xử lý.
Nếu như này thì nó vẫn là những thằng đưa vào đấy nó có thằng Tron.
Khi em thử sao là nếu em bật cái con Tron lên thì nó lên không? Và hay không thể nó lên đâu. Không được Tron lên. Không xử lý được rồi thằng đấy không chọn cái hỏi của mình của mình ấy.
Painful.
Painful. But
It's the things that like it was buried in there, and my assumption was this was just the body, but it was like no, here's your weapon, and no matter what I did, it kept saying here's your weapon, here's your weapon. So it just overwrite no matter what, no weapon,
yeah.
here's your weapon. So it attempts. Let me hit the restroom while we're
Okay.
That's doing it.
Số này đây là này từ đây, số này nó bỏ đi này. Đây nhá, trên này nó là bên lấy đây đúng không?
Rồi đấy.
Bên bộ này. Đấy, còn cái thằng này thì nó ấy á, nó đã không có cái đấy. Đấy là hai các tập thì bộ nó không cần.
Trước giờ em vẫn tạo theo dựa trên cái thằng đấy mà thằng
Đấy nhưng mà cái thằng này cũng tạo ấy, còn cái thằng này giờ vẫn tạo từ cái thằng Western Soldier ấy.
Nếu mà tạo Western Soldier lúc nào thì nó cũng sẽ có một súng. Thằng trên thì là
Đấy đúng rồi.
thì thằng đấy nó không có
Pedestrian. Đấy nhưng mà lúc nãy ông tạo cái thằng đầu tiên nó số này có súng, xong lúc sau ông quay lại cái thằng này vẫn xoáy cái gì ấy. Đấy không để nó thứ thì ông lại mất súng ấy. Xong nó lòng vòng thế nào đấy nó lại có súng. Đúng ra là thằng có súng thì nó phải có súng nhưng mà nó lại cứ gắn súng vào.
không có súng.
Đấy có súng là em thử tạo ra một thằng em cho cái thằng vỏ súng vào xem nào.
Bây giờ
Thay cái thằng đấy bằng người lính ấy.
xem
Nó là giống như mà lần anh vẫn làm đấy. Rồi lúc nãy ôi làm có thứ nó tương đương nó lại còn toàn có súng thôi. máy nào là hư rồi. Đấy, tạm rằng là không có xuống tới không xuống gì đâu luôn đó. Tầm tay ông tay cái sốt là đầu chiều rồi thì lúc này về mới xóa được cái bằng súng. Đấy, của tài nhá, có thể nó xử lý được. Can easy create a man without no weapon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I started with the man with the drone.
Yeah.
Using, and I'm
Yeah.
editing the VR Engage simulation model set.
Xong tạo ra con chụp súng thì đơn giản rồi đúng không?
Chụp súng thì đơn giản thôi, đánh gần đang cầm bên là cái này.
Tạo được sự biết.
Cái nào mua cái gì đấy? Thôi anh xử lý đấy cũng được mấy.
Cái này á?
Nó là cái dạng nốt thì
này nốt đấy em chạy máy nào được mà.
cái nào đây?
Trình này sửa.
Lúc biết là mình không sử dụng quá cái số lượng của mình nó về
Đấy, chính chạy thằng này cũng được. Không máy nào bây giờ em connect được rồi mà. Có thằng nào đấy không? Thằng này không phải engage này.
cái trận đấy em tạo một cái kịch bản cái máy này được hả?
Cái máy này engage đúng không? Máy không là vantage.
I got an idea.
Nhưng mà lại phải copy cái thằng này.
Không cần chạy thông nhau mà anh mở luôn bây giờ chạy thông nhau mà không chạy thông nhau được sáng chạy thông nhau chiều nói
em vừa tặng cái thằng đấy lớp sau thằng này nó hiểu. Copy sang copy cái thằng SMS. Sai cái gì? Sai cái thằng này
em điểm copy luôn.
Ủa, thằng này nó không lên.
Mãi nó lên.
Shit.
Có cái thằng nó gì thằng RTM đâu.
Với thằng này máy hay cái mô sườn nó sửa đúng không?
Cái thằng người nó có
Chắc là phải có cái đường đấy. Ăn vào gì nhỉ?
hát được anh còn ra cho anh
Hát thì qua là gì thôi?
hát được như ra phòng một hai ba
Cái gì đã? Mình hàng phòng. Cái gì để anh để xe quay trên mạng thì chắc em xe rồi đấy. Có cái sai cái này là thằng này có đi trực tiếp cái máy của đi trực tiếp phải trong đó mà mình sẽ ra
không cái em biết rồi mà
LS mà nó chỉ copy về xong rồi dùng cái được nhé, không chỉ một ghép của nó xong nó tan nó có cái sinh rồi sẽ thì hôm nay chỉ có ở đây,
có ở đây à?
ừ.
Nhưng mà đối tượng đấy là đối tượng mình mới tạo.
Đối tượng mới tạo ấy,
Mới tạo
hai hôm mới tạo thì em phải xem link nó ở đâu nữa đúng không? Dữ liệu nó ở đâu?
trong set data.
Share data thì thằng này
Ở đây nó thông cả set data. Nó cùng lấy dữ liệu trong thằng set data. Cái LMS thì nó lấy trong bên ngoài.
đến thử để xem của Autorom nữa hay không đúng không? Dạ. Đến tặng trước đây tặng thì thấy trong Autorom
Có drone thì trên thằng drone mà.
xong may ông tặng cái cái drone đây
Cái drone thì gọi ra.
cái lùi giờ không là nó
Bây giờ không phải không ra. Trước em vẫn sử dụng cái phương án đấy.
rồi
Gọi thì nó ra, không gọi thì
chứ thì coi như vẫn dùng được gì
vẫn dùng được. Thì mình vẫn dùng được thì vẫn dùng được đấy. Cho nên vẫn phải lên.
bây giờ thì xem có trung bộ copy trên mạng nhanh hơn nó được gì mà đi xe và có phải có già rồi đấy rồi
À,
Thử test, nếu mà ông kết hợp được thằng drone thì chắc chắn là không có súng rồi. Nhưng mà có loại đang không
mà là quay quay ngồi sẽ có lấy cái mô hình kia chắc là cái mô hình người lính lúc đầu gắn trực tiếp AK vào đấy và lúc sau lên dùng để đúng là đấy cái thiết bị gắn súng
test thì nó là
đấy cái ông loay hoay làm sao
Good.
bỏ được cái súng đi.
I'm gonna try some.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have this soldier here,
Yes.
and I'm gonna see if I can embark. I'm gonna have the boxes embark onto the soldier,
The box embark.
embark on him, and then
Okay.
he'll disembark.
Okay.
So let me see if I can do this. File, save simulation model set, and then I'm gonna go into forces. So here I'm gonna say close scenario. Minimize this. File, close scenario. So you know how I was shutting everything down and bringing it back up again? So I technically don't need to do that. So I could say new scenario, Al Moana, open, engage. And let's see what this does. This will be interesting. This might be really good. We'll see. We'll see if I can make it work. All right. And I'll do it in the open here. All right, so let's say my guy is test 3 and look normal. Hopefully. Looks like he's got a weapon, but there he goes, no weapon. Excellent. All right, let's do a box. We're gonna do a cardboard box, white box. Okay, there's the box. All right, so now I'm gonna give the box some logic.
Okay.
And I'll say create area, click, 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 and then double click. There's my area. I'm going to plan, and I say condition, add trigger, choose condition, entity in area. Who's my entity? It's going to be this guy. What's the name of the area? It's going to be that area. I hit OK. Hit OK. There's my logic. Now I'm going to say, if this is true, then I'm going to set. Yep. So I already did the condition. I just need to register it. So I'm going to say set embarkation, embark. You're going to embark on this guy. And your position override is going to be, see what that does. Hit OK. This may look a little weird. Then let's register that. So we're going to say condition, register trigger, that trigger, hit apply, hit OK. All right. And then I'm going to try a new one. Here's my new one, area. Double click. So this logic's going to go on him, and it'll be condition, add trigger, entity in area. Entity will be this guy again. Area will be the second area. Hit OK. OK. I'm then going to say then set embarkation, disembark, set all the load, set load, unload. This, let's see if this works. So this may or may not work. Register trigger, hit OK. Let me try this again. Set embarkation, disembark. I'm not seeing disembark all. Or, I got it. Send command, send set to the box, disembark. Okay, let's delete that. Hit apply, hit OK. Save file, save as box. Yeah, something like that. All right. So so now let's see what happens. Play. We'll turn those off. Task movement. Move to task movement. Move to. We're gonna have him move to the box. Yeah, he's gonna go around the box. Oh, now he's got the box. Yeah, task, movement, move to. We'll have him go down here. Oh, he's gone on the sidewalk. Dummy. Let me turn this on. He's. There you go. Yeah.
Okay, you get it.
Did he get it?
No.
Did it not work? Oh, it's stuck with him. Where is that?
Dùng cái embark em.
I might have messed up the logic.
Lý tưởng người ông sẽ dùng cái embark là giống như mình ngồi lên xe ấy. Thì đấy thì cái box đấy nó lên một tay mình xong cái bỏ nó ra. Thì kiểu đấy.
Yeah.
Tức là có loạt cái box đây đúng không? Cái B thằng đầu tiên là thằng đấy nó cứ embark nó lên. Giống như mình là lần lượt từng cái thằng nó lên nó giữ từ đấy có từng slot ấy. Đấy, mình nghe không xuống này đất gì đâu má, cứ làm sao mà này hôm nay rồi, thì quay máy, em thử đi một cái xong nó cười không? Đấy, thằng này đi cái ghét anh. Cái gì cần này, chạy ra phải sát trái thì nó sẽ nổi còn biết này.
I'm going to try it again. I may or may not have this right, but this is what I'm thinking.
Phần này vừa mát. Không, đây còn. Cái cầm này. Bên này là Vantage.
Bên này cũng cái kit. Đấy,
So
thằng em lấy ra cái này.
task,
Tới cái chả bị gì cả đúng không?
task movement, move to,
Em lúc nãy là bị lỗi cái mô hình rồi.
it's not quite there. Okay. I think I just need to position this correctly.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say task movement, move to,
Mm.
and he's going to enter, and his box is left. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
But where we can set the position of the box?
Say again. Yeah. So I
After
can.
you-
So watch this. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to hit play, and then this is onto parent. So let me change this to this. We'll make this a 0. This is going to be like 1 meter up in the air, and then I think this will be that. Hit OK, apply. Okay, let's try this again.
Then after they drop it, unload it.
Yeah.
Alo.
So I'm playing it.
Alo.
Okay.
Now he's got it. He's got it in front of him. Now we're gonna go. And where is it?
No.
Still got
It's been
it.
holding.
Yeah. Okay.
So yes, just drop it.
Yeah. So it's stuck in the air.
Yeah.
Okay. But let me try
So
this.
how about first one? How can set it as a slot? You see,
Yeah.
like embark a car,
Yeah.
automatically it moves to the slot.
Yeah. I can figure this out. But let me do this one more way. So I'm gonna say engage.
Okay.
Nhưng mà nó có chế độ điều đó.
He also inherited from the civilian, and
Yes.
he can turn on the draw.
Yeah, we can turn all that off if you
Yeah,
want.
turn on the draw.
We can turn that off. So
But
basically,
he doesn't get the bugs that he holding the gun.
no.
No.
He
He inherited because it works well.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna become the entity, and the entity is going to pick up the box.
Pick up.
Chắc em vẫn dùng cái này.
Rồi.
So here we
So
go.
know if we can define a slot for human.
Yeah. You can.
And
You can. So I just wanted to get this to work. So let me hit play. And we're going to do this. So there's my box. Let's go get my box. Did I get it? Oh, there it is. I got it.
okay. You can bring it.
Yeah, I'm bringing it. It's rotating around a little bit. Okay. Now it's flying in the air.
Yeah.
Đây
lúc mà nó unload ra.
Yeah, so let me fix that. Let me go here, reset this. And the logic is on the box. So the logic is here on the box. So let's minimize this. And I'm going to say task plane parent unload. It's going to unload from that. And then it's going to set disposition, position, location.
I know you set manually can work. Because then also you can set position.
Yeah. So I hit yes. Let's go back in here, engage. Where's engage? Here. Ooh, do I have multiple gauges for me?
Cái này thế nào?
Let me close that one. I do have multiple gauges, right? Okay. So this is my guy. He's gonna walk, picks up the box.
Not yet.
Yeah, he's getting stuck on it. There he goes.
Okay.
He's got it. It's rotating around.
Mhm.
Let's see if I can drop it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I can't pick it up again unless I move it back.
Yeah.
So that is what I would do. This is how I would do it. So he picked it up, moved it over there, and you could have multiple boxes. So let me escape that. Shift. All right. So this is literally all I'm doing. Let me reset this. Let me move this a little bit here. Shift here. So I've got a bigger area to deal with. Now let's copy this. Paste. Is it gonna do it?
Not copy.
Copy.
Yes.
Paste.
Why the cleanup thing?
Oh, there we go. I know. Don't know.
Yeah.
All right, now let's do this. So I'm going to create a new path or a new area. Right click. I don't know why it's got this selected. Create. Keep selecting that area.
It's better somebody can.
There I go. I don't know what was going on. Keep selecting that area. All right. So now I'm going to go to this and civilian in area 1 is this top one. I need to change this to an area 3.
Yeah.
Because that's a new area.
Yeah.
3, hit OK. Then everything else should be the same.
Mm-hmm.
Hit OK.
No.
Hit up.
No. What's the box?
Yeah, so I'm going to drop the box here.
No, the second box. You'll have to change.
Nope. This is good.
Up.
This is all set. This one is going to be good. And then I'm going to change this. And so position is going to be, I'll move it over here. Hit OK. Hit apply. Hit OK.
When
Save.
it comes to area 3, it could bring the box 1.
No.
Really?
Oh, okay. You're okay. You now I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Civilian one. No. This should be good. Let me
Really?
because I changed the I just selected the guy again. So let's do this. So he's got 2 boxes.
Yes.
Picks up this one.
Okay,
Drops it off.
Okay.
Then
Which one? No.
Up.
Where's?
Oh, they both moved.
Yeah.
You're right.
Because they would choose.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try that again. I see you. I see where you're coming from. All right. So here's the plan. Civilian 1 in area 1. That's box 2. Civilian 1 in area 3. Okay. 3 load parent. Civilian 1 should be okay.
Remove area 2.
Area 2, but I do want it to drop off here.
Yeah, I see.
So let's do this. Let's do this.
In area.
Let's call this. I'm going to edit this, and I'll call this area drop. Hit OK. Now let's go to here. area drop, that's where he's going to drop it off.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, he unloads and he drops it. This one is area 3. So we'll see if this works. It feels like sometimes you copy code, it may not work. Engage. All right, let's try this one first.
Không xếp được hai con lên trên chồng với nhau.
Xếp được nếu mà theo cái này thì được.
Yeah,
The
it's
same.
yeah, it might be.
Cái này thì
Cái đấy thì nó cũng xếp chồng cho mình xét. Mình xét cụ thể từng vị trí mà cho nên nó xếp thoải mái. Nó chỉ là object thôi. Cái B nó nhá, kiểm xếp tất cả phần kia nó gắn vào cái thằng rồi. Nó có tách xuống.
I might have to do something. I might have to delete that box. So I'm going to do this. Plan, copy plan,
hai vừa engage vừa là kịch bản cho nó là
delete.
trigger anh cả.
Lúc đây là về crossing. Về crossing. Cái kia nó chỉ lấy đơn giản.
So look, see how this gets illuminated, which is kind of weird.
You are choose select the stuff.
So civilian 1, yeah, okay, drop. Let's try this again. I didn't copy the box itself. I was hoping that it would work. But let's see. And I'm going to go to here. And let's go to this person. Okay.
Okay. Bring one. Yeah. The second box.
The second box, I think the second box is broken somehow. All right, so let's try that again.
When you enter the drop, you will set box there. You see?
Look at that.
Yeah.
What is it? How do you say genius?
Siêu in Việt Nam.
Seal?
Siêu.
Seal? Okay, so you're right.
Yeah, because you're setting the position.
Yes. Yes. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it. All right. Geez. All right, maybe. I got it. This is not going to be pretty. It's not going to be pretty. So this one you got to do first, then this one. Okay, so let's put the logic on this, and I'm going to say drop, edit, entity and area, and entity and area. So this is not pretty. It'll be box 1 in area drop. So I have to do the first one, hit OK, hit apply.
So here, I
Yeah,
think if you do like this, we have to detect
yeah,
what type of object you are attacking.
yeah. We can. I'm sure there's a better way to do this.
I don't
So
know
let's see. I'm gonna raise this guy up. So he's gonna do the first box. There's the first box. All right, drops off the first box. Damn it, it still didn't work. All right.
It is not, we cannot apply this for the zero scenario.
Okay. I think there's a way.
To work with like a car when you embark,
Yeah.
and then you can disembark. So
Okay.
the person is not in or out.
Okay.
You look like
Yeah,
that.
we can do that. Let me add a truck. Let me add a truck here. So rather than it going here, I'm gonna put a truck. Does that make sense? So we'll say truck, TRUCK, and then I think there's one from Vietnam. See, I don't like it. It's like associating with the that. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this. I'll delete this one. Now I'll delete this one. Let's reset this. No. So here, I'll delete this. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna put in the truck, and then we'll see if I can get it to. So rather than it go to just the spot there, I'll put it in the truck. So I'll say here, logic, drop area. Drop area. Then I'm going to say unload, move to point, then set embarkation embarked on truck. Press OK. So that's going to do these things really quickly. Hit yes. Here's my guy. We're going to go here. Now he's got the box. He's going to go here. And where did it go?
I don't know where it is.
It's in the truck.
It's a driver.
Oh, it's under the truck. Yeah, so I need to put it in the truck.
I see it's a truck. It doesn't have any slot, so
Yeah.
it cannot embark.
Yeah. So it needs to have
You have to be the slot.
exactly. All right, so let's give it some logic. Plan, embark on parent. I'm going to say 3, and we'll come back a little bit. This will be a -2, -3. Let's see what that does. Hit OK. Hit apply. And now I'll see what happens. Yes. We're going to pick up the box. And we're going to drop the box off. And yeah. So, but you're right. I need to have we can have okay. And so now I could say task movement move to.
The box spin.
Let's see what
The
happens.
same.
Yeah, the box will stay in the vehicle.
Why the box can link with the truck?
Why is
Because set is box is a set position.
Yes, I'm setting the position of the box. So
You embark.
I'm embarked on.
Okay.
Okay.
But
You're right. I could have slots.
yeah.
So, all right. Is this kind of where you're looking for?
Oh no, I think I don't know why. You see, if you go in this way, you have to set the box as an item, and not to set it. Just load it and you follow. From where you bring it, so
Yeah.
you insert anything. Means that automatically that's the hand. Then bring it and unload.
Yeah. So thanks, buddy. And so I could do like a engage or a DI guy motion where it would move or something like that.
The hand item. It is not object. Is it true? When you bring something, when you set hand item, it must have you something inside.
Yeah,
Here it is an object.
Here it's definitely an object.
Yeah.
Definitely an object.
So you say okay, an object can be set as hand item.
Yeah, I mean it could be a hand item. I think this is like the cleanest way to do it because I feel like the DI guy hand items are a little messy.
Yeah.
A little messy. So this is my hack at it, giving you kind of what you're looking for, but you might have to play with this.
I know for the logic, I think we will find some way, but it is not apply in general. See?
It's not applied.
General submit, we can set it.
Yeah.
You have to manually setting for each object like this.
Yeah. Yep. But still, if you did a DI guy hand item, you'd have to figure out a way to switch out the object,
Yeah.
apply it to the hand, play an animation. So all this is, it's not just automatic. Like you've gotta tell it what to do, how to do it. So
The problem here, you see, if we use the hand item, see we have to define object.
Yep.
But you see, if we bring different object like this to the armor box.
Yeah.
You will see the title, the text is different, but every time you put one, you hide one.
yes.
You display the same object.
Yeah. So I would say, this is probably the best thing I can give you at this point for, like, let's say we do a different type of box. Like, I don't know why that selects. There it goes. I wonder if that's gonna pop on there. Box. Drop area. Area 1. Sorry, I'm thinking things through.
The logic, I see it is not. It should be a solution. Yeah.
Yeah.
Many work.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of work. I mean, all this is going to be a lot of work. But yeah, I mean, I can get the box on the guy. I can get him to move with the box and then to drop it off. So at this point, I would say you're going to have to like figure out what works best for you. Because I'll be honest with you, I don't know exactly what you're looking for. I know you want him to pick up the box and move it, so we can get you to that point where I can get a guy to move and hold the box. But him swapping his hand item might be harder than this. So this is kind of like the fundamentals, but you would have to figure out like, okay, I've gotten the box. I'm going to have it disappear. I'm going to change my hand item to this and then do something. But either way, it's going to be tricky. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So let's see. I'm going to see if I can do this. Copy this logic. Copy. So drop area. We're not going to go to that drop area because that's going to give us more problem. So maybe make this smaller. Drop area 1. Edit area. Edit billion area 2. Okay. And then here. Yeah. This is tricky. Yeah, I might have to do something like this. I don't know. I'm sure there's a better way. I'm just probably tired today. Create. I wish it wouldn't do that. Like, why does it select that? Create area. Area 3. Sorry, I'm just playing around with this. Drop 2. Okay. Edit. Drop 1. Okay. All right, I'm going to try to get this to work. So I know it's not exactly what you're looking for, but it's
I understand, but I prefer. I want to ask you another solution.
okay.
How we can make like a script, write a script. I mean, one person we like pick up object, we set it as
Yeah.
head, and then we set it like that.
Yeah, I mean that is and that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So it's it is a script, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'm kind of moving things into the box. But to make the script, I still need I kind of need to define all this. Like a script is this is probably better than a script. Like
That's instead of you have to point to an area for the trigger.
yeah, I
I mean,
mean
here we can set it a task. Like
yeah,
pick this object, bring it to this.
yeah, but the object like it needs I need to say like here's a hand item or here's this object is now attached to this guy. Now he's going to do this. So a script is probably like a step too far. Like I would say, we got it working. I would just add the motions to it. So I've got basically engage, picking up a box, moving it, and then dropping it off. A script, I can't think of a way a script would work and just work. It needs something. Like it needs an area, it needs a location, it needs all this stuff. Like it's not like a script is just not like this magical thing. It's and if you don't have any of that stuff, it's just not going to work. Like I could do something, but it just wouldn't. Like this is more rational.
It is, but it's a lot of manual. You have to save.
A script is going to be manual too. Like a script, a script just won't. There's a lot to a script, and when it breaks, it's broken. Like it.
Oh.
Yeah. So script is like one of those things that you think just fixes everything, but it.
First of all, I think here, first one here we are arranging or moving box from one place to another.
Yeah.
To another, maybe we have to find some slot, like
yeah.
And to the truck here.
Yeah, the truck will have slots in it.
The slot, so then we just have a function pick up object and load it in the truck. So we load it one object into slot 1, slot 2, like that.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Yeah, I mean, it like today it's like 5 we're at like
Yeah.
5 o'clock. So
5 o'clock.
so I don't think I can just do that right today. Like that would have been
Yeah,
a
you cannot.
that would have been a great question like a week ago, if you know what I mean. Like right now we're like I'm not
Oh,
gonna.
something you can make a sample script for me like that.
I can't. I'm telling you, I can't do that. Like it will not work.
Not
Currently.
what?
Yeah, like you'll. This is probably the best way for you guys to do it because as soon as I make the script, it won't work with what you're doing. Like I know it won't work. Like the character types, the motions, the models. Like there's going to be like we have to have the fundamentals there
Yeah.
of like the area, the vehicle. Like the script is a lot of work, like a huge amount of work. I mean, you can.
Here manual here we.
Oh, this is, but this.
A lot of logic for each mod. You see?
Well, I mean, at some point you can just copy it or figure out a better way to do it.
Yeah.
But this is going to get you what you want.
Yeah.
And if you want, you can look into making a script. But it's.
Yeah. The way to try one because we had scenarios that we had a lot of box and we load it into a truck.
Yeah.
You see, about 10 or even 20 box, armor box, we have to load it.
Yeah.
If you do this way, of course, we can do. All the logic we can do for one by one.
Yeah. Or, you could create a box. Like this logic could just say, I'm going to create a box. I'm going to attach the box to this guy and then add it to the vehicle.
Yeah.
So the box just doesn't have to sit there. Like every time he enters that, it's going to create a box, add it to him. He drops it off. Create a box, add it to him. Does that make sense? So it's
it may be some trick. Yeah.
But it's exactly.
Yeah.
It's exactly this. But you're going to have to first you're going to have to figure out what you want to do, and then execute it. But I can't just write a script that's going to magically fix this. Like it's going to be a lot of just like making the motions and configuration. Like all this takes time and effort,
Yeah.
So this is actually, I think, is pretty close to what you're looking for. Something like this. So a customized character that works in all forces, engage, vantage, with no weapon, that picks up a box, moves it, and drops it off. Like I think this is kind of the ballpark of what you guys got. So
Yeah, it's reasonable.
yeah, it's not perfect, but
Yeah.
I think it's something that he can do. So what I could do is save this out, give him my custom folder, my SMS, and then he could deal with it over there if that works. So this is just called box animation. Can he take a look at this? You got a second? I just wanted to show him this. All right, so I've got this guy. All right, he's basically has no weapon. He's able to walk around. I'm gonna hit play. He's got 2 boxes here. I'm gonna go to engage. Pick up this box. So I'll pick up this box over here. So I go and look at the box. I got the box, and I'm just using the keyboard. And I go back and I pick up this box, and I could pick it up like this. There's my box. Let's move over here, and this is just rough. So there's the box, and then I could say, hey, I'm going to be a passenger, and I'm on the bus. Like if I had a slot, I'd be sitting down and so forth, and then I could say disembark. There I am.
Tính từng vị trí để mình xếp nó. Nếu mình biết từng vị trí rồi thì mình xếp nó ra.
I can't get into the drive or anything, but anyway, that's kind of what I got. So I got 2 boxes. Okay.
Nhưng mà cái gì sau này thì có slot ấy. Set nó vào từ slot cho mình bố trí bao nhiêu lớp chẳng hạn. Thì em set vào từng cái là một vị trí đấy.
I'm going to give you this.
Yes.
Okay. So this will be custom folder SMS for forces and engage.
Mhm.
Let's see if I can get it in there. It's all this crap that pops up.
Sẽ cái bài toán vật ra đấy ra những phần phay sửa dưới cái cách này em thích là thủ công cái từng cái em vất lên đấy mình biết đấy đấy lên đấy nhặt cái gì ấy thì em hỏi nó sẽ xem là có cách nào nó tập trung với công tức là mình viết một script cho đến cái nhặt cái này không có cái kia vì em xét cái này những là hình như di chuyển thì cái là từng cái một luôn Còn em set nó đi, xong rồi set nó quay ngược lại, nó lấy tất cả này script của mình ấy, phải đi lại rất nhiều. Nó phải tự động đấy. Thì giao ấy cho nó có thể soạn được.
Okay, so that's going to go there. Engage. Forces. Data.
Tức là ông ấy đến ông ấy đang trigger là đến ông ấy ở khu vực đấy hay bộ trở về
Thì không có nhận sai nói là mình là phải cốt lốt là mình cầm mang đi và cái lốt nó có cái còn lốt tức là nó mình mang cái gì đấy nó gắn cho người không kể là đến kia ấy thì cũng dùng là trên xe là nó không sót mình nhé dùng em bắt nó tức là nó có lệnh bắt cho cái xe thì nó gắn cái xe thôi nhưng lại có một lệnh là xét tất cả người đi đâu thậm chí cảnh cái server ở trên này cũng được nó cứ thế nó gắn trong xe em bắt là nó sẽ gắn với dòng xe onload rồi gắn với người rồi nhé thì em onload thì em đặt cái đó cũng được đặt cái đầu cũng được rất là chiếu để bắt lấy theo vị trí này không được thì mình đi đâu đấy thậm chí cái gắn đó ở vùng đôi cũng được đấy làm chặt áo chỗ ông tăng mãi gì để cho nó về đường trước này với phong độ xe chỉnh để sao nó đặt ở trên sàn xe
cái đấy lại làm không phải LV à?
không cái này chỉ là cái lệnh thôi lệnh set position nó cái onload nha từ set position cho nó onload là nó gắn với mình thì em set để nó có một phần position thì nó sẽ tính tương đối với vị trí của người khi em match rồi em match thì nó sẽ có tính vị trí cái lấy cái tâm của sao là từ các cái vị trí nên phải đấy được rồi hình loại gì đấy thôi
về phần vách trong
đến chuyển kịch bản đến lúc các bạn xem là gì xem mình làm xong kịch bản có trong cái chuyển bản nó vào động làm cứng
để mua thì em sẽ làm thủ công nhiều lần đó
thì đây ông thầy thích làm như vậy đấy nó ngỏ speed được tâm nhiều ngỏ speed thì nó hỏi thì sẽ rất là nhàn từ liên bảo viết một speed em đừng viết là area đúng không nó có một cái lạnh này nó như cách nước ăn cách trong area trên cái bài area thì lấy cái thằng nào lên cho nó sang đi đến chỗ kia mình phải lốt nó lên thằng kia thôi không phải không là nhàn nó chế chắc đã thật thi
như thế này thì vấn đề là nó có là đấy thuốc ở trong cái kho đạn ra thì các cái hộp đạn nó xếp chồng với nhau
đấy chúng ta phải lấy thế nào
lấy nào mà bây giờ một người lấy mấy người bình thường em xem người ta chuyển vận chuyển đạn ra xe mấy người nó hình cái hộp đạn cái đạn đấy nó nặng quá cả tất cả đạn ở cho tăng cái thứ
cái đến một cái của mình thì không làm được cái thằng kia đúng không
chứ nào
không định nghĩa hai thằng nó cùng đi được